Technology has already had a great impact on the lives of dyslexics, but this new program called Chat GPT seems to be on a whole nother level. A dyslexic coaching client of mine yesterday told me about it, and he said that he feels unlocked while using this program. So his comment actually inspired me to make this video. For those of you who have never heard about Chat GPT, I would like to give you a brief explanation. So it is a program that is based on artificial intelligence, and it writes texts that are basically not distinguishable from a text that is written by a human. So you can, for example, ask it to write your emails or other things that you are interested in. You can ask it all kinds of questions. It's basically a really good version of a chat robot. So let's have a look at the applications for dyslexics. So I mentioned emails, and that is actually what I would like to start with. So let's imagine I'm sick and I need an email for my boss. So I'm simply gonna ask the program to write me one. Boss, that I am sick. And then it basically writes the email. Dear, let's say, Ben, I'm writing to inform you that I'm feeling unwell and will not be able to come into work today. I will make sure to keep you up to date on my condition and plan to return to work as soon as I'm feeling better. Thank you for your understanding. Sincerely, your name. Let's say you want to offer that you do something remotely. Then you can just ask it to do that. To do some work remotely. While the AI is formulating its answer, I'll just say that having help with emails as a dyslexic is a big deal. So now it added this part. However, I am willing to do some work remotely if that is possible and if it helps to alleviate any workload on my colleagues. Please let me know if there's anything I can do to assist from home. Here you have another example for how you might be able to use it. So I just wrote a text, a little description for the video that you're just watching. So I'm putting it into Chat GPT and I'm asking it to correct spelling and grammar. I also asked the question if Grammarly would be better at this, and it actually told me that Grammarly would probably be a better choice. That being said, Grammarly is not able to write entire texts by itself, and this program actually is. I could also ask it to rewrite the text that I wrote if I'm not really happy with it. I'm not going to ask it to do it right now, but I would like to have some additional information about dyslexia and this program. So let's ask it. Add 3 more. I recently talked to a professor about this as well, and he was actually worried that his students would use it to write the essays that they themselves should be writing. So I assume that we also should be aware of potential misuse of this program. I actually quite like these free suggestions, so I asked the program to combine my text with the text that it created by itself. And at first it didn't really work the way I wanted it to, but then I tried again, and this is what it came up with. If you are dyslexic, let me know how you see yourself using this program. It seems as if ChatGPT is mainly limited by our ability to ask the right questions. Wow. Okay. So this time it worked, and after I make some adjustments to the text, I will probably just be able to use it for the description of this video. So I'm definitely impressed, and I wonder what impact this will have on the general importance of writing in our society. Let me know in the comments below what you think about this, and if you want to have a look at another technological aid for reading that can be useful for dyslexics, then have a look over here. And thank you for watching. See you in the next one.